So I want to make a little commentary video going over my Linux audio program for playing audio files, manipulating audio files that I eventually plan on turning into a digital audio workstation. I couldn't figure out how to get the desktop audio and my mic recording at the same time, so I'm just going to fill in the audio in post, and we'll see what happens from there, right? But this is Kaisella, which is a project I worked on last year. The main thing about Kaisella is that I try to make it as customizable as possible. So there are two general operating modes of the program. That's basically the mode we have right here. It's just like playing audio files. It's just like a normal like music player or what have you. You can control the volume like this. You can see how the waveform changes. You can go forward or backwards in the song. Make a pause, unpause. Yeah, obviously, like, writing a program like this from scratch where you're handling all the raw audio data yourself is not really the best for, like, a standard audio player, but Kaisella is not necessarily a standard audio player. It's also a digital audio workstation, or at least something that is, somewhat akin to that, which you can see in the other operating mode, which is triggered by creating what's called a timeline graphical object. So, let me get rid of this, right? I'm gonna go Kaisella, and then I'm gonna go .config to start the program with like a specific initialization. All you have to do is just pass the config file when you execute it, right? But let's pull something like very small right here. So there are a few things you can do in this mode. You can obviously move it around. There's this like little mode thing up here that says what to do. And when you start the program, it also prints out like general options for like, okay, what buttons you press to enter certain modes. So you could press 2 to cut things. So you could cut clips in half, like this, right? And you press 1 to go back to move again. And these are two separate audio clips that we could just play. You see a little pause right there in between. So let's see if we could cook up something fucking nice, right? So let's get some random kicks in here. Okay, that doesn't sound very nice. Hold on, wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3. Holy shit. Before I do anything, let me save this, right? Let me save this as cool drums. Cool drums, save. And I'm also gonna export. Watch this. Export. Oh, see that? See how the line went up there? Did I show the save feature already? Well, let me show you. Okay, so if we exit out of here, let me pull it back up. Click on here, cool drums, click read, and there it is, right there. There's our project again. But aside from that, like, let's listen to the final fucking product, bro. You know, I mean, okay, so let's listen to this in its entirety. Watch this. So when we actually export the raw data, it actually sounds fairly clean, right? But like actual real-time rendering is a lot more complicated. But this is technically the first, or not the, I mean, it's the first public beat ever made in Kaisella. That's fucking awesome. See that? This is how you make art right here, man. Yeah, that sounds like dog shit. We're able to manipulate different wave files to stretch them, cut them up, copy them, delete them. Save projects in my custom file, application file. I think it's .kys, right? Yeah, because right now we have it saved in cooldrums.kys. We also have cooldrums.wave, right? So we're able to export things as well to the raw wave file. Exporting stuff is actually a lot easier. I mean, I don't have like any effects or like audio tracks or anything like that where like you can put certain effects on them and stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna download some French horn tutorial, and I'm going to just slap it in there under the drums and see if I can make something stick, Just go like a really basic horn sample in here just to go really finish it off, you know?